This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kelly Tucker. Authentic one-owner custom-built English Tudor built 1988. Stunning architectural features and fabulous water views west/direct access to Lafayette River Channel and Elizabeth River. Impressive foyer, woodwork and moldings, inlaid oak floors. LG formal rooms for entertaining, 2 wood fireplaces. LG Eat and Cooks Kit west/custom wood cabinets, granite counters, brkfst bar/center aisle west/5 burner gas cooktop. First floor office west/custom wood built-ins. Fam room west/French doors leading to a lovely slate patio. First floor bedroom west/full hall bath. Master suite west/balcony overlooking waterfront, LG sitting room and walk-in closet. Recent bath west/jetted soaking tub, walk-in tiled shower. Full-size gym. Staircase to huge floored attic. Slat composite roof, 3Z HVAC.